Every business wants more sales, but many businesses are ignoring the potential of one of the most powerful, effective forms of media that's out there. It's video. But instead of handing you all these really great statistics on why video works so well, and there are plenty, I'd like to tell you a story about an orthodontist client of ours. Dr. Collette wasn't one of my typical clients. At this point, I tended to work locally, but his practice was based out in a different state. Because I couldn't come to him to help him film, instead, I coached him to shoot his own video on his smartphone. He didn't have any fancy equipment, although you might be surprised about how modern smartphones actually rival quality of modern video cameras. Point is, Dr. Collette followed the script we wrote for him. He filmed his video himself, and we edited it for him. He took his video and he used it in a Facebook ad targeting local adults, spent about $1,000 advertising over the course of 30 days, and ended up with $25,000 to $30,000 in new patient revenue. You can watch this video later in this lesson. In this course, my goal is to help you do the same thing. Here's what you're going to learn in the following lessons. First, we'll talk about equipment in lesson 1. I'll walk through our camera kit, how to use these tools that we provided you. Then in lesson 2, we'll talk about video content. I'll share 6 types of marketing videos so that you can pursue the best type for your client's business, industry, and goals. In lesson 3, we'll talk about filming. I'll show you some of the most common novice mistakes and how to avoid them. And I'll give you my own tips on capturing great footage. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that I respect the art of filmmaking. It is a specific skill set, and I don't mean to imply that you can become an expert filmmaker after watching one online course. And this course is not about creative filmmaking. I won't be teaching you about using high-end cameras and equipment here. The purpose of this course is for you to learn how to use the tools that you have to create videos quickly, effectively, and affordably. I'm a marketer, so these instructions will be peppered with my marketing know-how in order to help you communicate effectively with your target audience. My last note is that you need to open yourself up to being on camera. I've heard all kinds of excuses as to why a person can't be on camera. I was even a little nervous myself about getting in front of the camera after getting these braces on just a couple months ago. But most of the time, you are your worst critic. And the simple truth is that you have a unique perspective to share with customers. And customers want to know about you, not just about what you do or what you make. And many customers actually prefer the authentic touch of a basic video filmed on a smartphone. That's what they're used to. By duplicating yourself through video and connecting with your client in the medium that they already know and love, you'll be spreading your message far faster than you could have in any other way. So let's get started.